Hello everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Microsoft Power BI PL 300 exam series. This is your host, Aapka Consultant, bringing you episode 43. So today's topic is Q&A feature in Power BI Desktop. And those of you who are new to the channel, you can check out the playlist right above here, where all the previous 42 episodes are covered, in which different topics I have covered in detail. You can check out that playlist. So that being said, let's jump and see question number 43. The question says, following user feedback for more interactive engagement with the Power BI dashboard, you decide to implement a feature for enhanced data exploration. How can you enable users to conduct ad hoc queries on the dashboard data effectively? The solution that they are proposing is turn on the Q&A feature from the dashboard's general settings, making it accessible for users to query data through natural language. Your options are yes and no. You can think what is the solution to this question. I'm going to pause the video here for 10 seconds. Your time starts now. So yeah, time is up. Let's see what is the solution. So it's basically yes and yes, you can turn on the Q&A feature in your dashboard, and basically users can query into the Q&A visual and ask the respective questions with your data. We will see this with the help of an example, and now let's look at the overall explanation. This slide covers about the interactive engagement and features of Q&A feature. What are why it is accessible to broad audience, customization, optimization. You can pause the slide here, go through this information, and you will get all of the details about Q&A visual in Power BI Desktop. Now let's look at the resources used. As again, I have been doing this course from Udemy called PL300 certification prep, and the second article is on Microsoft Learn, which we will now just look at. Let me switch screen and open that article for you. So it's an article on using Q&A in report to explore data and create visuals. This article covers, how you can use this in Power BI. First, you deploy this in Power BI Desktop. Once you publish the report in Power BI Service, you can get this type of prompt where you can ask a question about your data, and through charts and graphs, you can easily interact with them by asking the questions in this visual. So yeah, this link covers all of these tutorial on Q&A visual. So like this, you can ask, and also gives you prompts, and so that you can directly type in by with the help of and suggestions. So yeah, this covers the topic. Now let's jump and see a Power BI Desktop sample report where we can see the Q&A visual in action. So I have this report where I have the job roles and the statuses of marriage, some data. I have this similar graph as well. Now I want to ask similar questions to Q&A visual. So you have this Q&A right here. You can click on it, and then you can ask your data the same questions and it will give you the answers, right? For example, let me ask single people, single, let's say single sales executive, right? We go here, let's type, just type number of singles. It will should give me 44. Let's see. Yep. So that is how easy you can interact with visual. Let's type number of single and married, single and married human resource, right? uh so it's should I think should ask like this: number of people who are, sometimes again the keywords you have to see, and it will give you, but again it's a natural language, so you have to crucial and type in manager. Probably it will give number of manager single. I think ये हो सकता है क्या count blank there, I don't know why, but should work. Not sure what's the why it is working, but yeah. So yeah, this is how you can use this visual. Sometimes depending on the data you can get different results, but mostly it will give you accurate results. So yeah, that covers today's topic. Hope you like this content, and I will see you on to the next episode. Thank you for watching.